Hello all, my name is Vaibhav Joshi. I welcome you all to another set of videos on TestCase shortcuts. In this video, we'll learn some of the shortcuts from the TestCase section. The shortcuts that we're going to cover in this video, for that we need to log into the common repository because those features will only be available or will only be enabled at the project level. So before beginning with the shortcuts, I'll create a sample test case and then we'll see the shortcuts for the topic which we are going to cover in this video. So this is my common repository. As you can see, I have logged into the common repository. Okay. Now, before we start working, we need to check out the repository, and the shortcut for it is Control O. So as you can see, a green title bar over here, that means that folder has been checked out by me. If it would have been in a red color, that means that folder or that structure or that hierarchy has been checked out by someone else. Okay, now I have checked out this root folder. Now inside this, first I'll create a test case and I'll name it as Tosca shortcuts part 4. Inside this test case, I'll import few modules. The first one is OpenURL and the second one is tbox window operation. Okay. First, I'll rename this test tab. I'll rename it as open application, and for this test tab, I'll rename it as close application. Now I'll pass the values to this test tab. www.google.com, and in caption I'll give Google, and in operation I want to perform like I want to close the browser. Okay. Now I have this test case Tosca shortcuts part 4. Inside this I have two test tabs. One is OpenURL and second is close the application. Okay. Now as we already have checked out this root folder, now inside your test case you will have n number of test tabs, like I have open application and close applications, right? So if you want to expand all of them at once, then the shortcut for it is Control plus. Okay, I have just selected the test case and I have pressed Control plus. So everything has been expanded at once. Now if you want to collapse all at once, then the shortcut for it is Control minus. Okay. Now if you have made any changes to the common repository, then you need to save those changes to reflect it. Okay, and the shortcut for it is Control Shift U. So as you can see it over here, it says update all finished. Okay, that means whatever we have made the changes to the repository, it has been saved. Okay, now you need to check in your changes so that the others who are working on the same project can see your changes, and the shortcut for it is Control Shift I. Here it says check in all finished. That means whatever the changes we have seen, those changes have been checked in, and the others can see those changes whatever we have done. Okay, so these are some of the shortcuts from the test case section we have seen in this video. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs, and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.